Hi, my name is Jorge Nogueda.
My name is Jaime Alexander Penamelgar.
My name is Edward Rodriguez.
My name is Francisco Garibaldi.
Maria Konigsreiter.
Donald Elliott.
Frank Peak. My name is Troed Johnson.
Hello, my name is Miranda Shakouri. I've worked for Telewave for 3 months as a summer intern.
23 years.
2 years and 8 months, to be exact.
11 years.
I've been here about 19 years. I started in 2004.
36 years.
5 years.
I've been with Telewave for 40 years. I've worked for Telewave for 41 years.
While at Telewave, I worked in manufacturing, more specifically the machine shop. So basically, I worked with machines to create and build products that are sent out to customers or create parts used for products in-house.
I make any assembler for Alex department, explorers, panels, cables for complete combiners department, those.
I'm labeled as an assembler, but what I do, I work in back of the warehouse, receiving, shipping and receiving, and just supplying the assemblers.
I'm a technical collinear antenna builder. I enjoy what I do.
Here, I learned a lot. Basically, I didn't know anything, but over the years, I learned how to do the cavities that we cut, square cavities, round cavities, antennas, heads for the cavities, and then we do antennas, the yagis, the elements, all the stuff that go inside the cavities. I run the CNC, that's what we do, the heads. We do the disc cones, all the parts for the disc cone, the dipoles, which we gotta bend them to make an antenna. Basically, we work with aluminum, copper, brass, stuff like that.
Well, when I first started, I was actually working in shipping and receiving. That was pretty cool. I did a lot of different aspects as far as shipping and receiving, the boxing, making clamp kits, all sorts of things.
Machining. That's pretty much all I've done.
Well, I work in different projects in here, different kind of antennas, dipoles, a collinear. The important to me, I love my work.
Well, I do a little bit of everything. From the beginning, I was a cable maker to now I was building cavities to a painter. So I've done a series of different jobs now. My main job now is building out antennas. I'm one of the managers here.
Made America. Well, ever since I grew up, I've always since that urgency, and even in my family, to buy American-made products. So I would love that to be the top resource again, the top main objective in America again, for American products to be sold.
Made in America, I think that is quality. We can produce a very good quality product. We can control everything. Some of the products we've manufactured in the last 30 to 40 years are still working worldwide, protecting lives. That's what I'm proud of.
Made in America, to me, it means good quality. And the work that we do, we put our hearts into it. What I do, and I'm pretty sure that everybody here does. So we make the product for the customer that receives it, that's gonna get a good thing. It's not gonna get something that, it's gonna break pretty soon. So it's gonna last. And I know a lot of people come in, ordering stuff from us. And I know it goes all over the world, so it's gotta be good quality for us.
Well, when I see in the world today, when people I've talked to and they say, well, they know they're getting quality when it's made in America.
The term Made in America means easier access to materials and products, and so adjustments to customer requirements can be made in a timely manner, which is an essential for customer service. Also, as everything is local, it brings jobs to the community, which is something that I find very important.
It's a privilege to make the product here in America and to be able to supply all parts of the world, because not everybody is able to build those parts like we do.
Well, that means everything, because made in America means quality, better material, but a little bit more expensive, but when you see the flag, the customer know he received quality and a good product.